Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can turn on Do Not Disturb on your Steam. So this video is going to be very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're gonna do is simply go ahead on your search bar and search for Steam, and simply go ahead and open your Steam. So finally, when your Steam is launched, so here you go, I'm on the store. What you want to do is on the bottom right hand of your screen, you want to simply go ahead and click on this button which says friends and chat. So when you click on that, this little window will pop up, so where you can simply go ahead and see your online friends and offline friends. So what you want to do is on the top here, right beside your account's name, there is a small arrow where you want to click on. And when you click on that, this small window will pop up which says online, away, invisible, offline. And right down here, as you can see, there is a button that says do not disturb with a check mark box to it. Simply click on that, and finally there you go. As you can see, the check mark is there, and now you're on do not disturb mode. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below if you have any other queries, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.